Hello explorers and welcome to this week's episode. So Skippy had the bright idea a while ago for us to go camping. We haven't done that in like 10 or 12 years. So welcome to Lefokeng Bush Camp in Dinokeng Game Reserve. So I'm gonna start planning the setup we have to do here and Skippy will show you all the facilities.
Let's go camping! So Lefokeng Bush Camp has powered and non-powered campsites. We booked Elephant Campsite, which is powered with its own ablution block. Book well in advance, not to get disappointed. So let's show you the ablution block. A nice wash-up basin. I don't think this winter camping thing will be too bad. At least we have some hot water.
Okay guys, so we're gonna do this unpacking thing and set up the camp. So we'll put you guys on a time lapse. So please feel free to roast us in the comments if you think we are doing it wrong. Okay guys, so our camp is pretty much set up. Skippy will make the beds a bit later. We moved some stuff around to make it more convenient to reach everything. The nice thing about this stand is you are so close to the fence. And you can see there's some tracks here in the ground. Something walked past here. So the whole plan was to set up the tent to look towards the fence so that if something comes past early in the morning when you open up, you have a nice view of the veld outside. So I just started a fire back there. We're gonna make some boerewors rolls for lunch. So we are quite hungry now. Got something to drink. It is quite hot for a winter's day, I must say. Okay guys, so only two of the camping spots has its own ablution like the one we are staying at, but there's a nice big communal area. There's a boma here, place to make a fire and have a braai, and then this nice place to sit up, and then this awesome big pool for I would say more the summer times. I don't think it's going to be that hot at the moment. And then there's a nice big communal ablution block, so let me go show you that. Yeah, this place is actually pretty cool. There's quite a few toilets here. It's labeled men and ladies separately, and then there's a washing up space. The thing I like about this place, that makes it really cool, is all these signs and stuff that's on the walls everywhere, even in our spot, with nice quirky sayings and stuff. I quite like it. It's something different. A nice big showers. Please close the lid as it has a drinking problem. With nice big showers. This place is actually very nicely set up and it's very well maintained. The owner just came and said hello to us. They say they've taken over this place about 1.5 years ago. So I don't know what it looked like before, but it looks pretty cool now. So as you can see here, like I always call it, the Bosveld TV stand. They do also sell wood here. It works on the trust basis. You tell them at the end how many bags you took. So you can come and get some wood here, have a nice braai, and you just let them know how many you used. But all the sayings on this thing is so funny. They do also have ice if you're interested. You just tell them, listen, I'm at this site, I want 5 or 10 bags, and then they come deliver it at your camping site, which is pretty cool. So it's very cool that they have all these options available here.
So if you translate this in English, be beautiful, otherwise you have to braai. So Joe, which one is beautiful? Who must braai?
I'll see that she's the prettiest. I'll just go and braai then.
Oh gosh.
It is currently just after 5 p.m. and as you can see, it's pretty overcast. So now that the sun is hiding behind the clouds, it's getting pretty cold quickly. So we got the big fire going so we can braai our dinner tonight. So on the menu tonight, it's going to be some nice thick boerewors, some lamb chops, and Skippy is going to make us some braaibroodjies for a side. Yes, so all the meat is on the fire. If you are wondering what the steak is for, that's not for tonight, so make sure you stay tuned to see what we're going to use that for tomorrow. Okay guys, so we just took a very nice hot shower. I was quite surprised. The showers are actually pretty much amazing here. So we just got in bed. It is about 12 degrees according to the weather app. So we're going to have a nice sleep and then we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for coffee. Good night. Good morning. We had a good night's rest, but now it's time for coffee. It has been awesome just having a slow morning. We woke up a bit later, had some coffee and some rusks, enjoyed the view, and then we just had a bite from the leftovers from last night for breakfast. If you're watching this video and you're thinking, nah, maybe camping is not really my thing, I'll link two videos down below of two other places we have visited here in Dinokeng Game Reserve. One is a glamping spot, and I saw that they recently did some revamp on it. It looks very nice. And the other one is a chalet setup with a swimming pool for the summer. But stay tuned because we have two very awesome activities still planned for today. Guys, and welcome to the first activity we're gonna do in this video. Like you guys noticed in some previous videos, we do a cooking section. So in this video, we're gonna do a braai pie. Damn, this braai pie was so epic that it had to get its own detailed video. Click on the pop-up banner in the top right hand corner, or the link will be in the description box below.
Let's taste this. I'm so glad we did this. Remember guys, we're cutting in here. Like, subscribe and put the notification bell on. It will really help a lot. Okay, on with the video. Okay guys, so the second activity for this weekend is we're going on a game drive.
Yeah, so for the guys that have been watching the channel for a while, we have started Elspot in the past. But the thing that changed in the meantime is since we've been there, they got the concession to drive in the north. Oops, guys, I had the information wrong, so let me correct it. Dinokeng Game Reserve is divided into three main sections. Self-drive, the area where you can drive yourself with a bought self-drive permit. The other two areas are concession sections, Mongena and Kwalata. These two sections are not accessible with a self-drive permit. Elspot got the concession to drive in the Kwalata section. Cool, now that it's corrected, let's carry on. Because they can now drive in the concession part where there's usually a bit more animals, so we are quite excited.
Let's hope we see one of the big five.
Zwarte wit gestreepte pyjama paarde. So we got back from our game drive a while ago, made a nice fire. Tonight is hamburger night, so we just fried our hamburger patties. But today was a pretty eventful day, so we're just gonna make a hammy, eat it quickly and then go to bed. But make sure you stay tuned till the end to hear our full review about this campsite. Good morning guys, so before we pack up we thought we'll just give you a quick walkthrough of our basic setup that we used for this camping trip. So we have just two basic stretchers in our tent. We have a canvas tent. I think in the long run they would last a bit longer, they might be a bit hotter in summer. And for this winter trip we just got one of these basic heater fans. A lot of people say, and I've heard a lot of story about it, gas heaters in tents is not a good thing because if it starts leaking in the night you can suffocate. So maybe that's not the best idea to have. So we use that one. The nice thing about that is it doesn't cause condensation. So then a gazebo works well for some shade, and we just have a basic old table set up here for the kitchen. You can buy these tables at any basic outdoor shop. And then something that we invested in a while ago is a camping fridge. This is a Snowmaster, I think it's the 82 liter dual compartment freezer fridge. I would say it's not a must-have, but it works well. The other downside on that is you need a camping spot that has power to run that. So you can get away without it, but that is our basic setup for a camping weekend like this. So it just shows you the Overlanders thing, the setups. It looks very nice, but it's expensive. So if you just want to do a camping trip, you can do a basic setup like this and still enjoy the outdoors. Okay guys, so we just finished packing up. I must say this place is amazing. I would definitely rate this place a 10 out of 10. The amenities you get here, the owners are super friendly. This place is just absolutely amazing.
They also have a 5 out of 5 rating on Facebook, Google and Lekker Slaap. And if you really would like to camp here, link will be in the description. We will highly recommend this place.
Yes guys, thank you for joining us on this episode and we'll see you in the next one. Remember guys, explore more.
Bye!